Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, thanks for coming back. Today's video is pretty simple. We're just going to install the Chevrolet Performance tie rod sleeves. I'll go into some details about alignment and give you guys some specs for racing alignment. I'll also give you guys some info on other parts in the GM Performance catalog. So let's get into talking dirty tie rod sleeves install.
So you mark it?
Yeah, you mark it.
Because where it's at on the threading?
Yeah, just so you don't have to do and you don't have to do this. You could do it and then go get it realigned. And then we're going to back this out. Hold on, let me just put it back to there.
Yeah.
And then this rotates out. So real quick, I did it off camera, but yeah, we got it lifted, we got it on jacks. You want the tires off the ground because every spin you give to the tie rod is going to be pushing that wheel outward. So you want it to be free of any resistance.
I feel like dumb question, but inside here is just...
It's just rotate, it's cool, yeah.
But the half shaft that you did on yours, that's this inside here.
Yeah.
What is the half?
Oh, okay.
I'm just trying to understand.
On the inside, it's sleeved, so it could extend, and that's why it's how it's made for more travel. These do they have a little bit of play, but not the same, it's not designed. So that's why it's half shaft. Yeah, it's actually a pretty trick thing. They should, all axles should be like that, honestly. There it goes. All right. So I brought it back to the locked position, which would be right here once it's tightened down. And then these, you could just throw them on now. They'll just slide up in here.
So I just take that off right first?
Yeah, take that off, but we want to mark it. Man, it'd be helpful if I had any color besides black, huh?
It gets so tough.
Nope. Yeah, you can tell where it's wet. And it just slides up. I mean, because it might not pass this, and it looks like the original marker was going past that. Oh, it does pass it. Oh yeah, you can still tell. Yeah, so.
You just have to put that bolt on there?
No.
Why, because that is the bolt?
This is the bolt, yeah. And this, you just got to be careful to not mess up the threading. So if that's not in right, you could mess up the threading. So just take this part slow. Yeah, and if you feel any pressure, that means you're going wrong. So real quick, these are the Chevrolet Performance ones. You could get some of their competitors. They're beefier and for half the price, and that's a selling point for most people. But these are designed to still let the tie rod fail so you don't mess up arms, hubs, joints, nothing. You take a hit and keep going. I actually proved that in an upcoming Raptor Run video where I took a massive hit. I tweaked my alignment. I got it straight now. I got to take it to professional because I think I did tweak my tie rod, but nothing else broke. I kept going, and all I needed to do was replace the tire. Oh yeah. Let me back it down to where it's at. So we're gonna be about right there. Shoot, that doesn't stay in place though. I'll just tape it in place so it doesn't rotate. There we go. Don't spin. What the hell are you still spinning? Oh, whatever, it's not gonna go far.
So how do we know that we're lined up?
Right there. Watch, I'll show you right now. I was tightening it and it just spun on me. See? So I'm gonna back it out and then lock this one in place.
Nothing to spin at all, right?
Yeah. What happened?
There's nothing to spin.
It'll move a little bit, but it's not.
Yo!
There.
Put all your man strength into it?
Yeah. It's real easy to adjust the alignment. I would drive, get on the freeway, and if I felt it pulling a little to one direction, I would just loosen it up, give it a tighten, and then tighten it back up, and I got it perfectly squared. But we'll do that right now. Oh, the forklift was stuck earlier. Pedal, I'll push you out, Go, burn some tire, burn some rubber. There you go.
There you go, burn. Oh.
That's hilarious. All right, so like you should have it up in the air for this, but it's such a small adjustment that it won't really matter. So same thing, you just loosen it. All right, if I can get it loose. All right. So you said it was pulling to the left, huh? Oh, wait, that's the driver then, right? So that means you got to turn it out a bit. A lot or just a little?
A little. Not crazy.
Just noticeable?
Yeah.
That should be it then, right there.
Quick tip, be careful. I did it the wrong way. I should have made the tie rod longer instead of shorter.
You wanna try it again? Was it worse or better?
I feel like it was a little bit worse.
Yeah, yeah. As soon as you drove off, like, oh, I think I did it the opposite way. Hold on, don't even get off.
So my goal here is to get it to drive straight, doing one side at a time. I can't do both because, like I said earlier, I don't know if it'll be toe in or what. So if you're careful and not too lazy to go back and make minor adjustments, you'll get it to within 95, 99% of some laser alignment, because all you messed with was the tie rod. So just do one at a time. And if your truck isn't driving straight before this, don't even worry about it. Just do it, get it close, same thing one at a time, and then get it aligned later.
All right, try that. Better? Straight or still?
A little bit, but not.
A little still to driver? Yeah,
Snorkel.
that's probably perfect.
Yeah, I just needed a tiny tweak. I'm pretty sure it was as close as we're gonna feel it. And we got it up on jacks anyways, just cause might as well move over and do the next side.
That's why I wanted to make sure one side was straight before the other, because I didn't know it could still be driving straight, but you might be towed in or towed out.
That's not good, right?
Actually, towed in is good.
Is it?
Not for the street, but for the dirt, it's more pointable. Like cornering and everything is more controllable. Mine is towed in a little bit.
By choice or by accident?
No, by choice. But it would just be guesswork from us, so I wouldn't do it. There's a guy in Ontario that'll do it. He doesn't mind. He'll give you positive or negative camber. I wrote the formula down, what's best. But yeah, you turn the tires out and you're towed in a little bit, and yeah, you have way more control.
I should wait till I get more different rims, right? Different tires?
No, it doesn't matter. I had it since it was stock. Like that. Yeah, the only downside is you wear down your tires about 10% faster, but I never noticed the difference.
You off-road, you wear down your tires faster anyway, so...
That's the thing, yeah, I kill my tires, so...
if you're already doing that, right?
Yeah, it's a fool's errand to worry about your tires at that point. Come on, come out. How are you not out yet?
The other one came out much easier.
That should be out already. There it goes. All right, now we gotta work it. Yeah.
This way, right?
Yeah, exactly. Well, you just don't want to be stranded, dude, with your passengers or family.
That's a major thing. And we had see my friend that I knew from middle, or to see what was going on with them.
Yeah.
And,
yeah. It's pulling to the right now? So passenger, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so. All right, there you go. We gotta extend though. Go for it. That should be good. But if it's not, who cares? We'll do it again. Better or too much?
You want to hop in to see if it's...
Yeah, let's try to right the middle of it. So you're in the crest. Is it pulling a little to the driver? I just try to put the steering wheel straight and then let it go. A little off there. It's holding, isn't it? A little bit, huh, to the driver?
Maybe
All right.
it's pretty...
No.
It's pretty solid.
It's an easy adjustment. Watch, we'll get it perfect right now. So Rui was pulling to the driver a little bit, huh?
Just a tiny. It was barely.
Yeah, see, I probably just went too far, so
eventually I got it right. And as far as the tie rod sleeves go, it is one of my favorite mods, and I consider it the best bang for your buck in the whole catalog. And speaking of the Chevrolet Performance Parts catalog, we have more videos coming up. The airbox, I'm going to try to rig it to the snorkel from AEV, and we have the upgraded drive shaft install video. And of course, we have some trail videos where we're torture testing said part. Also, I'll put a link to Bala Off-Road in the description so you guys can go check him out. He's got parts on his website, all that stuff. So please subscribe, like, and share, and keep learning about your vehicle, keep modding your vehicle, and of course, keep it dirty.